Hi everyone, in this video we will learn how to add borders automatically to cells in Excel. Here I have 3 columns with the headers SR, NO, name, and email. Normally we select the data range and then apply borders from the font section in the Home tab. But in this case we want the borders to appear automatically whenever we enter data. For example, when we type something in SR, NO, borders should automatically appear for the 3 cells in that row. Step 1. Select the range first, select the 3 cells in the first row of data. For me, these are A2, B2, and C2. Now press Ctrl-Shift-Down arrow to select all the cells in these columns where the rule will apply. Step 2. Apply conditional formatting. Go to the Home tab, Conditional Formatting, New Rule. Choose Use a formula to determine which cells to format. In the formula box, select A2. You will see $ like A2. Remove the $ before the row number so it becomes A2. This keeps the column fixed but allows the row to change automatically. Now type. This means not equal to blank, so the formatting will apply whenever the cell contains any value. Step 3. Add borders. Click Format, go to the Border tab, and choose Outline. You can customize the border style if you want. Then click OK and click OK again. Result. Now when we type 1 in the SR NO column, borders will automatically appear for all 3 cells in that row. And if we delete the value, the borders will disappear automatically as well. To learn more useful Excel tutorials, watch my other videos. Thanks for watching and subscribe.